Hi, fourth graders. It's Mrs. Austin. Thanks for joining me today for math. Here are the materials that you'll need for today's lesson. This week, we're starting Unit 7 called How Many Packages in Groups. This unit focuses on multiplication and division and converting measurements. Our first investigation, or Investigation 1, is all about multiplication with two-digit numbers. There are 7 sessions in Investigation 1, starting with today's session, 1.1, Measurement Equivalence. Okay, let's begin Unit 7, Session 1.1, Measurement Equivalence. We're going to start with 10-minute math. Today, we're going to be working on what time is it. This is a new 10-minute math, and we will talk more about it at the end. Yuki started practicing the guitar at 2:45 p.m. and practiced for 42 minutes. What time did Yuki finish practicing? Pause the video while you solve the problem on your paper. Once you've solved the problem, press pause again or play to continue with the video. Ten-minute math. What time is it? Problem number 2. Yuki started practicing the guitar at 5:34 p.m. and practiced for 27 minutes. What time did Yuki stop practicing? Pause the video while you solve the problem on your paper. Once you've solved the problem, press pause again or play to continue the video. Today we are beginning another unit on multiplication and division. We are going to start by converting measurements, which involves using multiplication. Earlier in the year, you worked on linear measurements and did some converting of linear measurements. Just in case you forgot, let's review linear measurements. Linear measures are measurements in one direction. How many inches are in 1 foot? There are 12 inches in 1 foot. How many centimeters are there in 1 meter? There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. How about in 2 meters? There are 200 centimeters in 2 meters. So what else can we measure besides length or distance? Some other measurements we could measure besides length or distance are area. We could measure weight or time or capacity. So what if we want to know how heavy something is? We could weigh it on a scale. So what units are used to measure weight? Aha! We could use pounds and ounces to measure weight. So yes, we can measure weight using pounds and ounces, which are the U.S. standard units for measuring weight. But how could you remember which is which? Well, a loaf of bread weighs about a pound, and a slice of bread weighs about 1 ounce. We can also measure mass or weight using some of the metric system standard units. We use kilograms and grams to measure mass or weight. How can you remember which is which? Well, a cantaloupe has a mass of about 1 kilogram, and a grape has a mass of about 1 gram. Here's a handy-dandy measurement equivalence chart. You can use this chart to help you convert from one unit to another. Please copy down this chart on your paper or in your journal and notebook. Pause the video so that you have time to copy the correct conversion chart correctly. When you're finished, press pause or play to resume the video. These measurement equivalents tell you how different units are related. Let's look at the equivalents for weight and mass. The first equivalent in the chart tells you that there are 16 ounces in a pound. That means a pound is 16 times as heavy as an ounce. You can use these equivalent measures to help you convert from one unit to another. Let's practice converting some measurements. Suppose a sack of sugar weighs 4 pounds. How many ounces is that? Pause the video to figure this out and explain your thinking. Press pause or play to resume the video. Now convert 6 kilograms to grams. Pause the video to figure this out and explain your thinking. Press pause or play to resume the video. Remember, you can use the measurement conversion chart to help you. When you measure how much liquid a container holds, you are finding its capacity. Some of the U.S. standard units for measuring capacity are cups, pints, quarts, and gallons. In the metric system, liters and milliliters are often used to measure capacity or liquid volume. Here are some of the everyday objects we use that illustrate units of capacity or liquid volume. A coffee mug is about a cup. A carton of cream is a pint. A juice carton is a quart. A milk jug is a gallon. 20 drops of water is a milliliter. And a water bottle is a liter. Okie dokie, it's your turn now. Your job is to complete the measurement conversions on the student activity workbook pages 427 to 428. You can find these pages posted in Google Classroom under Math with Austin in parentheses. The assignment is titled Converting Measurements U7 S1.1. You may use the measurement equivalence chart that you should have copied down on paper or in a journal or notebook. Pause the video while you work on these 2 pages to convert measurements. Press pause or play to resume the video. Alrighty, we're back to thinking more about our 10-minute math called What Time Is It? Here's a problem for you. Yuki is going to a movie that starts at 5:15 p.m. The movie is 2 hours and 15 minutes long. What time did the movie end? Pause the video while you solve the problem on your paper. Make sure to explain your thinking. Once you've solved the problem, press pause again or play to continue the video. Another problem for you. Abdul is doing his homework from 4:30 to 5:20. For how long did he do his homework? Pause the video while you solve the problem on your paper. Make sure to explain your thinking. Once you've solved the problem, press pause again or play to continue the video. We will be solving problems about time, like these, in our 10-minute math activities called What Time Is It? You will solve problems where you are given an ending and a starting time, and you will have to figure out the interval of time. In other problems, you will be given the start time or the end time and the interval of time. Woohoo! We've made it through our first lesson. Please complete today's practice on Student Activity Book, page 429. You can find this page posted in Google Classroom under Math with Austin in parentheses. Look for U7 S1.1 Daily Practice. Also, please share the family letter with your parents on pages 431 to 432, which is also posted in Google Classroom under Math with Austin in parentheses. Look for U7 S1.1 Family Letter. If you need help or have questions about this lesson, please visit me during my office hours, which is a Zoom live meeting today from 10:30 to 11:10 a.m. I am more than happy to help assist you. I also have extra office hours to help with any other subjects on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 12 to 12:40 p.m. and on Wednesdays and Fridays from 3 to 3:40 p.m. That's all for today, kiddos. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.